This is a video tutorial for the solos from Sing Hallelujah, Let the Good Times Roll. The solos happen after we've gotten through the chorus one time, and the words are kind of fast. So I'm going to have you take a look at them now so that you can look forward to it, because they come very quickly. You may actually want to follow along with your lyric packet that I've already sent home when you're singing this. Here we go. I won't be singing the chorus so that you can understand where solos happen.